Hello Quarantinians, this is Louise, and for today's video, we will be making our Tuna Sisig recipe. Of course, bago tayo magsimula, let's start with our ingredients. First up is centurytuna large, 2 pieces large onions, minced, 3 tablespoons of ginger, minced, 1 piece of red chili, 1 piece of green labuyo, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon of sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of lemon or calamansi, 1/3 cup of mayonnaise, 1/4 cup of oil, 1 tablespoon of toyo, and this is optional, 1/2 cup of chicharon. Okay, so unang-unang gagawin natin is i-fry natin ang ating tuna. So make sure na i-drain natin yung oil from the can. Then, i-fry natin siya. Now, once na notice ninyo na medyo dark brown na yung tuna natin and you think it's a little bit dry, then that's good to go. Now, let's place the tuna on one side. Then, let's prepare the other ingredients. Okay, so madali lang itong part na to. Ang kailangan lang natin gawin ay i-mix ang lahat ng ingredients na yan. So, first off, ilagay natin yung onions, then yung ginger, red and green chili, black pepper of course, sugar, lemon or calamansi. Then, we will put our tuna, yung fried tuna natin. We will place it there and don't forget to just mix, mix, and mix. Now, if you want more crunchiness, you can put some chicharon and don't forget to put the mayonnaise. Now, don't forget to just mix, mix, and mix. So, there you have it, our Tuna Sisig. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share our video.